I'm Trevor Palmer from EV Blocks, the founder, inventor. We're here at the London EV show with a number of our products. We've got the EV Block Mini here in tarmac with the EV tower mounted on top with the CPI payment terminal with it. The EV tower is universal to a lot of the AC chargers that are currently on the market, so you can see Myonergy on this side and Sivadis on the other. And the EV Block is made specifically for the EV tower pedestal. In addition to that, EV Tower are working closely with Simpson & Partners. This is a brand new charger released this weekend, or this week. Again, that will fit on the EV Block Mini. And you can see here it's laid in with block paving, nice and neat. It's 300mm by 300mm across the top face to tie in tight with block paving. And then you move on to our universal product range. This is the B500 Plus. The block is 92 kilos and the adapter plate is a further 8 kilos on top, so 100 kilos on top. Total, we've got 4 screws in each corner, security head screws, anti-tamper, and you can fit any AC charger that's currently on the market to this product. And then we've got our B600 EV Blocks, 184 kilos. Again, any AC charger that's on the market. This is the Garrow LS4, and this we've got a compressive load rating of 12.5 tons, so it can be installed as a passive solution in a car park. And that's us at EV Blocks.